My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, bad bitches of the world? Welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. If you are returning, what's up, fam? Thanks for joining me again. Today's video is going to be an unboxing between my Boxycharm base box and my Boxycharm Premium for the month of April. So I actually got my boxes yesterday and I really wanted to film the video after work, but I was in the COVID-19 unit that night, and because we are so short on the N95 masks that we need to wear for COVID-19 positive patients, we're having to rewear them, and they were like, you need to take your makeup off because that's going to decrease the time you can wear that mask. I was like, this shit's just gone way too far now. You want me to take my makeup off? I'm just kidding. But, and then I got home and I was like, I need to take a shower immediately. So here we are. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Won't you be my neighbor? Ah, I remember what Mr. Rogers said. All right. Okay, there's no information card. And I'm seeing something I already have gotten before. Wait, this says premium as well. Are they both both premiums? Alright, anyways, the first product is Levito Age Away Replenishing Cream. Firm, hydrate, and repair for dry, mature skin. This is 1.69 fluid ounces. So it says it is an intensely hydrating, firming cream formulated for dry, mature skin. What are you trying to say, Boxycharm? I'm mature. Enriched with avocado and Melissa organic oils. There's an organic oil named Melissa. Significantly decrease wrinkle depth and boost hydration and firmness. Hyaluronic acid plumps skin and improves moisture retention, while summer snowflake flower and grapefruit seed extract help smooth wrinkles. Okay, I haven't heard of this brand before, but this does sound pretty intriguing. Okay. I like that it is a moisturizer that is specifically for extremely dry skin. Recently I've been getting a lot of gel moisturizers which aren't the most hydrating for someone who has dry skin, so I'm really excited to try this. Alright, the next product I have received in a Boxycharm before. It's a really good product, but not very excited that I am getting a repeat, but it is this Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. I honestly love this mascara. Like, I've been using it so much. The brush doesn't look like it's anything spectacular, but it's a really, really good formula. Alright, so next we have this Nude Sticks Magnetic Lip Plush Paints. Okay. Plush, luxurious, soft matte nudes in a feather light blurring velvet texture that is non-drying and long wearing. An easy to blend multitasker for trendy monochromatic face color. So the shade is in Waikiki Rose. This actually looks like a really, really beautiful lip color. So it does have a doe foot wand. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, that is definitely my vibe. It is a really beautiful, like, peachy nude. It is very creamy from what I can tell. And I do like nude sticks as a brand, so I'm really excited for that, actually. Ooh, that's really soft. It is very velvety going on. I like that. All right, the next product is this Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. So I just love Pharmacy as a brand as it is. So this is an intensely hydrating facial mask that's blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly to help revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The balm gently warms and transforms into a nourishing cream as it's massaged into skin, leaving a smooth, glowing complexion. So you're gonna put it onto your clean face, massage for 1 to 2 minutes while it warms and transforms into a white cream. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse off. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh. So it does have the little spatula that's magnetic. Okay. Ooh, that's a lot thicker than I expected it to be. So here is what it looks like inside of the container. It kind of has like a Vaseline type consistency. Oh, but it is turning to a white base, rubbing it in, and it is super hydrating. I'm really excited to try this. Like I said, I love Pharmacy. All of the products that I've tried from them have been amazing. So the next product is, oh, so it came in a little gray bag, and that says Opulent Beauty, and ooh, it is a brush set. We got 3 brushes in here. So, ooh, super soft. It has a clear handle, then it goes into silver, and then that is a really beautiful and super soft brush. This is, it says it is a powder brush. I would probably use this for either bronzer or for buffing. All right, next we have, it says this is a bullet brush. Okay, I would probably use this. Could it be for highlighter? I mean, I guess it could be for highlighter. It's a little big. So maybe like setting the under eyes with some powder. Also very soft. And then the last one, ooh, it says flat head. Well, yeah, I can see that. This is gonna be great for foundation. I am excited to try it out. All right, and the last product, I actually made it in time for the choice, and I chose the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold Retro. If you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with these Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadows, and Rose Gold Retro was actually the very first shade that I bought in these, and I ran out of it, so I'm really excited that I got another one. And I love anything rose gold, you guys know that. So I do know that these retail for $25. Stunning. Oh, yes. I wish, why do I not have a information card? All right, so I'm really excited about this. Super excited about the Pharmacy mask. I really like that lipstick. I already have this mascara, so this will be going in a giveaway. I mean, always love getting brushes, and I'm excited to try the moisturizer. So let's see what we got for my premium box. I'm really wondering if that was my premium box. It is. Okay, so just kidding. This is Boxycharm Premium versus Boxycharm Premium. All right, let me see what I got in my other Boxycharm Premium. Another repeat product. All right, so the first product is this M Green Grass Dry Oil Spray in Beach Air. So this is 4 fluid ounces and it's multi-use for body, face, and hair. I actually really do like this. It's a dry oil spray. I swear it smells exactly like beach air. I really do like it. Not happy that I'm getting a product I got not too long ago in, I want to say, my Boxy Luxe, but don't quote me on it. So yeah. Alright, the next product, we got duplicates all around. I got another one of the Nude Sticks magnetic lip plush paints in Waikiki Rose, as well as a pharmacy honey potion again. So you guys know what that means. This is going to be going in a giveaway that I'm going to be doing another one soon. Don't forget, I do have a giveaway going on right now, and it is in my 14 activities to help you stay sane while you're stuck at home. So check that video out if you would like to enter my current giveaway. And ooh, I am really excited for this next product. I was hoping I would get this. So this is the IGK Good Behavior Spirulina Protein Smoothing Spray. Keratin-like treatment in a can. 24-hour frizz control. 450-degree heat protection. Oh, that's awesome. I love any sort of hair product or hair treatment that has protein in it. My hair is extremely dry, it's extremely damaged and thinning, so anything with protein that will help make my hair stronger, I am all about. So this says, heat activated spray mimics the smoothing and anti-frizz results of a keratin treatment. Alright, so you mist over damp or dry hair in sections, comb through, and then blow dry. Okay. I like that it has a heat protectant in it as well. Oh, the next product, I was also hoping I would get this, is the Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. It says pollution and blue light defense. A weightless cooling mousse that refreshes skin and helps defend against pollution and blue light rays. Creates an ultra smooth canvas for flawless makeup application. Huh, so it's a mousse and it helps defend against pollution. Alright, this is 1 fluid ounce. Let's see what it looks like. So it does kind of have like a mousse-ish, is that a word? Mousse-ish consistency. It's like a very light blue. It kind of has that like slipperiness of a silicone primer, but it also feels very hydrating. It's super, super soft. I am excited to try that. And the last product, ooh, do my happy dance. It is the Natasha Denona Blush Duo, palette number 15. Super pretty packaging. Okay. It does have a nice mirror. These are definitely pretty colors and absolutely shades that I will use. It's just a little bit underwhelming. I don't know what I was expecting, but alright, so the first shade is Sheer Nude. Is that a blush? I mean, I guess that's a good name for it because it is pretty sheer. I don't even know if you will be able to see that or not. Yeah, that's very sheer. The next color is Toto. It's Toutou. And this is kind of like a pretty rose color. There you go. They both definitely have a little bit of a sheen to them. The sheer nude more than the other one, but I really like that second one. The first one, I mean, I don't even know if that's gonna show up on my skin. I mean, should we try it? Can you tell a difference? I mean, I already have blush on, so it's gonna be even harder to notice, but I mean, I guess I can tell kind of a difference. I do notice that it's a little bit more like highlighted. Okay. This is a very, very like natural blush. So, I mean, if you're going for like a no makeup type of makeup look, then, but if you guys know me, you know I'm not a no makeup type of person. It's all or nothing for me. It would look pretty on those days where I'm going for a more natural look. Overall, I definitely think my second box was better than the first, but once again, I'm not too thrilled that I got duplicates. Now, let me clarify that. I always know there's going to be a chance of getting duplicates when I have 2 premium boxes. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about products that I've gotten in previous boxes and not even that long ago. So, but I mean, I can't complain. They're both awesome boxes. I'm most excited for this IGK Good Behavior, the CoverX Cloud Primer, the Pharmacy Honey Potion Mask, and yeah, those are the products I am most excited for. Let me know what you guys think about my Boxycharm premiums in the comments below. I really wish I had an information pamphlet so I could tell you guys the retail value of both boxes, but I don't. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, let me know if you guys think that if the Boxycharm premium is worth the extra money or not. And let me know what you got in your Boxycharm this month. Alright guys, I love you. I'm gonna go take a shower and hit the hay. I will see you in my next video.